All right, so we want to do one more, slightly more complex filter, sort, average, and graph. So I'm still just using my day 21 data. And now what I want to do is look for whether or not green-stemmed plants have more flowers produced than red-stem plants on day 21. And so I think that a nice way to do this would be to find the average of green-stemmed plants. To do that, I'm going to want to filter on stem color to just get the ones that are green stem. So I'm going to create a new filter view. Now I've done this several times, and so you'll see that one of my filter views is already green stems, but I'm just going to start fresh. So I'm going to new filter view. We call it green stems, so we can easily flip back and forth if we want to. And then from the stem color drop down arrow, I clear all and I choose just the green and I say OK. Now that gives me just green stemmed plants, and now I want to know the average number of flowers. So we've done averages in here before, right? So I'm going to say average flowers on green stems. And then because I like to be able to see everything, I clicked that little wrap text. Now to find the average, I'm going to use my function, choose average, and then I'm going to drag in the number of flowers column, okay, and I hit equals. And it tells me that I have an average of 2.35. Now I want to know the average number of flowers on the pink and purple. And so I'm going to create a new filter view. Oops, and I made a mistake because I'm over here, and so I'm just gonna do a quick undo, and I'm gonna do stem color here, new filter view. I'm gonna call this one pink and purple, and then I'm gonna use that drop down, clear, choose the red, pink, and purple box, say OK, and then I'm going to do the same thing I did the last time, which is to find out the average. So I'm going to say average flowers, red, pink, or purple, and then I'm going to use the function key, average, and remember to choose within my number of flowers column. Oops, I went too far, so I'll go a little slower this time. And then hit enter. And so that's 2.33. So it doesn't appear that there's much of a difference, but now I want to graph those two, and so I'll do that in the next video.